Can you solve this? Two numbers add up to 30, but the difference of their squares is 180. Here are the two equations. A plus b equals 30, and a squared minus b squared equals 180. It looks simple, but most people get tricked and end up spending too much time solving it. Let's break it down and see if you can solve it faster than the average person. Let's label the first one, equation 1, and the second, equation 2. Now, looking at the equations, your first thought might be to try to take the first equation, a plus b equals 30, and isolate one of the variables. Then substitute it into the second equation, which would give you a squared minus 30 minus a squared equals 180. And once you expand all of that, you end up with a gigantic, messy quadratic. It will work, but it's a long and painful way to solve this problem. So I will show you the easiest and quickest way to solve this problem. The key to solving this question is by looking at our second equation, a squared minus b squared, which has a special identity. It can be factored as a minus b, a plus b. That's what most people miss, so let's use that. Start by factoring the second equation. A minus b, a plus b, equals 180. But we already know from the first equation that a plus b equals 30. So when we plug that in, our equation will look like this. A minus b times 30 equals 180. Now divide both sides by 30, and our equation will become this. A minus b equals 6. Now we have two simple equations. A plus b equals 30, and a minus b equals 6. Add those two equations together, which gets us 2a equals 36, because the b cancel each other out and we add two a variables together. And from there, we divide both sides by 2 to get a by itself. So a equals 18. Now all we need to find is b, and we can do that by subbing in the value a into any of our equations. So one of our equations was a plus b equals 30, and I will sub in 18 for a, which would get us 18 plus b equals 30. And then subtract 18 on both sides to get b by itself, so b equals 12. So the two numbers you're looking for are 18 and 12. Easy, right? If you ever need help with math, check out my main channel. I've got a bunch of videos ranging from beginner to advanced math. And please like and subscribe if you found this fun and interesting. I'll see you in the next video.